Are you looking for a convenient and fast way to meet your temporary living or office needs? If you have such a problem, then this quick container house is designed for you. It was built for emergency support projects, camp construction, and refugee rock construction, and no type of residential building was designed. This container house solved the traditional on-site construction period. The problem of high cost. Not only can it be built quickly, it can also be flexibly combined to adapt to various site environments. Achieve fast landing. At the same time, we also provide personalized customized services. Whether it is specification or interior decoration, can be adjusted according to your needs. Quick container house, applicable to the needs of various industries. From construction sites to tourist attractions, even disaster relief sites. You can see its shadow. We promise to provide you with more than just containers. It is a convenient and comfortable way of life. Don't hesitate any longer. Global distributors of this product want agency rights. Welcome to visit the factory for negotiation.